Welcome to part 10 of Arab Jokes compilation.
Paring Irap, bakit mukhang happy ka ngayon?
Nakabili na kasi ako ng hearing aid na kailangan ko eh. Humihina na ang pandinig ko eh. Mabisang-mabisa ito pare ko eh. Gamit ko nga ngayon eh.
Talaga Irap, magkano naman ang pagkabili mo?
Kahapon lang pare, kahapon lang.
Thank you for coming to this space conference. We will hear from countries what their space policy will be this decade. Okay, first off, we have the President of America giving us their plans.
Hello, my fellow Americans. Our plan for this decade is to launch one more mission to the moon and establish a base there.
Wow, very ambitious indeed from America. Thanks, we will now hear from India what their space policy is.
Thank you, host. India has always been very ambitious regarding its space program, and we are glad to announce we will send a spaceship to Mars.
Wow, that is very big news from India. Great. A huge leap indeed. Now we have the Philippines and its president giving us his space policy.
Hello, my fellow human beings. The Philippines will not fall behind in this, and we will send a mission to the sun. Yes, the sun.
This must be a joke. The sun is crazy, it will evaporate the spaceship.
Huh? You all will be wrong, for I figured it out just now. We will send the spaceship at night, where it is much colder. Huh? Take that, Philippines #1. Woo!
Masarap daw ang steak dito. Matikman nga. Matigas pa. Waiter, I have a complaint. Itong in-order kong steak, napakatigas.
Ganun po ba? Tikman ko nga po. O ang lambot naman po ah.
Paanong dilalambot yan? 3 minuto ko nang nginunguya yan.
Erap, I'm warning you. Darating na si Papa sa loob ng humigit kumulang 1 oras.
Ano ngayon? Wala naman tayong ginagawang masama.
Kaya nga, kung may plano ka, dalian mo na.
Mga sundalo din ba kanyo ang mga lolo nyo? Di marami din silang experience sa mga labanan.
Nung panahon ng hapon, ang lolo ko sa plywood nagtatago pero hindi siya tinatamaan ng bala.
Wala yan sa lolo ko, sa kurtina nagtatago pero hindi rin tinatamaan ng bala.
Wala palang binatbat ang mga lolo ninyo Ang lolo ko, nakatayo lang sa gitna, walang harang at lantad na lantad, pero hindi tinatamaan ng bala.
Ang galing naman ng lolo mo. Bakit naman hindi tinatamaan? Aber,
ang lolo ko kasi ay isang Japanese.
Good morning, Erap. Kumusta ang weekend mo?
Naku, Senator Manny, hindi maganda.
Bakit naman, Erap?
Nag-away na naman kami ni Mrs.
Talaga? Ano ba kasi ang nagyari?
Worst na away na ito, pare. Nag-historical na siya nung huli
Hysterical yata ang tamang term dun, Erap, hindi historical.
Historical pare, kasi lahat ng nakaraan inungkat na niya
welcome to Jokes of the Day Part 3. Erap, what is the chemical formula for water?
HIJKLM N-O.
What are you talking about?
Ma'am, ang sabi ninyo kahapon, ang chemical formula ng water ay H2O.
May 3 doktor, pinag-uusapan nila kung anong pasyente ang pinakamadaling operahan. Sabi ng isa, electricians. Everything inside them is color-coded. Sabi ng pangalawang doktor, librarians. Everything inside them is in alphabetical order. Sabi ng pangatlo, politiko ang pinakamadali. They have no brains. They have no guts, they have no hearts, and they have no balls. Kung may boyfriend ka o girlfriend na gusto mong i-break after graduation, ito sabihin mo, password ka ba? Kasi hindi kita kayang kalimutan pero kaya kitang palitan. O ito kaya, summer ka ba, no? Kasi wala kang class. Try mo rin ito, bachelor's degree ka ba? Kasi tapos na ako sa'yo.
Paring Manny, may bago ako sapatos.
Oo, ayos yan. Anong tatak?
Hindi ko sure, basta yung may check.
Pambihira yung lang, hindi mo pa alam. Check, di ba?
Oo nga Brad, ano nga ba ito? Check?
Ito Brad ay check Taylor.
Isang gabi, may isang politiko na hold up. Narito ang buod ng kanilang pag-uusap.
Hold up ito. Akin na ang pera mo.
Anong hold up ka dyan? Hindi mo ba ako kilala? Isa akong congressman.
Kung ganon, akin na ang pera namin.
Ganito daw ang menu ng automated answering machine ng mental health hotline. Kung ikaw ay obsessive-compulsive, if you are codependent, please ask someone to press 2 for you. If you have multiple personalities, press 3, 4, 5, and 6. If you are delusional, press 7 and your call will be transferred to the alien mothership. If you are schizophrenic, listen carefully and a small voice will tell you which number to press. If you are a manic depressive, it doesn't matter which number you press, no one will answer. If you have amnesia, press 8 and state your name, address, telephone number, date of birth, credit card details, email address, and your Facebook password. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have short-term memory loss, press 9. If you have low self-esteem, please hang up. All operators are too busy to talk to you. If you are a politician, please hang up. There's no hope for you.
Boss Erap, parang lalagnatin ako ah.
Ano? Parang lalagnating ka?
Oh, bossing eh.
Ganito ang gawin mo, uminom ka ng parang gamot at siguradong parang gagaling ka.